Morpho L1 device no boom dikhe mobile by connect khai ang norno khai phunungnai MSU 13E3 RD-L1 device mo naidi ketal model L1 device inke first Play Store thangnai Morpho L1 ni search khaidi monke naidi agini puran model moke L0 no support khainai inke moke L1 no support khainai inke iro naidi L1 Morpho RD service L1 no imono ang app no install khainanai L1 ni bagai tei kaisa app no download khaimananai norok inke L1 ni bagai extra app tongo mono naidi ang download khaina kha tak open khainai ro allow khainai inka naidi mo L1 device ni naidi Morpho device L1 device naidi MSU 13E3 RD inke RD L1 device no mo extra khe app no download khaimananai RD service ni L1 device no motike permission angri nakha permission rinai motike connect khaina kha mobile lo connect khai painai norok ni mobile lo OTG no on khairi OTG no on khaike motike connect ni thana ai button no click khairi kha model number iro sungnai inke tai ro device serial number rok iro sungnai inke norok naidi iro joto connect rok wngkha inke naimano motike connect khaina kha ang inke OTG ro on khainai norok motike mo new Morpho device no motike connect khaina mano L1 device no MSU 13E3 RD L1 device monke new Morpho RD L1 device no motike ang connect khaina kha mobile ni application ni bagai Morpho L1 device ni app no download khaimananai download khaike no OTG roine connect khaimananai emo application no norok download khaimananai L1 RD service application no download khaina bakhe no norok transaction rok khaimanai channel no norok subscribe